Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. U again, and this is our vocabulary for the next 2 weeks. You can find our vocabulary words on your word worksheet in the Moon section. So we're working on 11 vocabulary words for the next 2 weeks for Unit 8, Week 1, and Unit 8, Week 2. Try to talk about these vocabulary words at home. I love this unit because it's all about maps. And when I was a kid, I loved studying geography, which is looking at maps and where things are in the world, studying the world and places in the world. So if you look here at our vocabulary, this says keywords, and it shows a picture of a map. On the map, you see all these pictures on it, like a polar bear and a monkey and a giraffe. Those pictures are called symbols. Everybody say that. Symbols. So these pictures are the symbols. And it says down here, a map key is useful. Well, the key over here tells you what each symbol means. A map key is useful. It tells the meaning of a map's symbols. A symbol or sign can be a shape or a picture. Symbols can be shapes or pictures. So here we have a giraffe, and in the key it says the picture of the giraffe means that's where the giraffes are at the zoo. The picture of the polar bear, if we look at the key, well, that's where the polar bears are at the zoo. Well, those are easy because those are the actual pictures of things. It's easy to figure out what those symbols mean. Monkey means monkey. Fish means fish. But this one might be confusing, and that one, and that one. Well, let's look at what this symbol means. Do not enter. Oh, that's what that means. We can't go there if we're at the zoo. And this one, let's see. That means drinks. Oh, you can probably buy drinks there. And this one? Oh, restrooms. Of course, that's where the restrooms are at the zoo. And what about this? Oh, the star means you are here. That's what the key tells me. You are here. The key is very useful when you're looking at a map. It helps you figure out what all these symbols mean. Otherwise, it's easy to get lost. Some more keywords we have are between, and it says the house is between the two trees. That means in the middle of them. Here are the two trees and the house is in the middle. Between. Everybody say between. Between. Corner. I write my name in the corner of the paper. The corner is up here. It's kind of like one of the points. Everybody say corner. Corner. Distance. This man runs a long distance. Distance. Everybody say distance. Distance. Show. I show my drawing, like in show and tell. She's displaying it for everyone to see. Show. Everybody say show. Show. And sign. This sign means to add. You notice, you remember that from when you're in class, when you add in math. Add. So that means sign is this. It's a picture of something or a symbol. Sign. So now I'm going to read quickly because I'm going to run out of time. If Maps Could Talk by Erica L. Shores. Maps. Finding your way. Where is the water slide? If you were a bird, you could fly up high to find it. But since you are not, you will have to use a map. Maps use symbols to show where things are. The orange rectangle on the picture map is a symbol for the water slide. How do you know that? Read on. Well, we just went over that. We know it's the orange is a water slide because there it is in the map key. The key to using maps. The box at the bottom of a map is the key. Use the map key to learn the meaning of map symbols. Map makers use shapes to stand for real things. On the street map, what do the squares stand for? Can you figure it out? What do the squares stand for? Look closely at the key. If you said they stand for house, you got it. Give yourself a round of applause. Woohoo! Symbols on the road. Symbols on a road map help drivers find their way. A symbol shaped like a shield stands for a highway. Black circles stand for cities or towns. So you can see the cities and the towns. Here's the star that says the capital. And a city has a dot. There's a city, and here's a interstate. And a highway is in red. I used the key to figure that out. Rain or shine, weather symbols. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Look at a weather map in your city's newspaper. Symbols on the weather map show the weather. Use the key to understand what the symbols mean. So here, think, what does this symbol mean? I'm sure you can already guess it because you're used to seeing these. Oh, the key's up there. Oh, there it is. It means it's rainy. No key needed. Picture symbols. Most maps have a key, but there are some maps that don't have one. These maps use symbols that look like the real thing they stand for. Can you find the giraffes on this picture map? Can you find it? Oh, that's easy. It's right there because there's a picture of a giraffe. There isn't a key on this map because you can already see where everything is from the picture. So here it says, make your own map. Use these steps to make your own map. Try to draw a map of your school. Step 1, or you could draw a map of your house. Step 1, draw the outline of your school. Show what your school would look like from above. Step 2, draw your classroom as a square. Put a symbol in the classroom, such as a star. Step 3, draw other rooms in your school like the cafeteria. Add hallways, restrooms, and doors. Step 4, draw the library. Put a symbol in the library, such as an X. Step 5, make a key for your map. Draw and label the symbols for all the places you put on your map. So there you have it. I'm running out of time.